Today's date is April 29th, 2021. This is Hannah, who came to see me all the way from Los Angeles, and it's an honor. Thank you. I would like to see you. Now, for the viewer, you're here for your knees. Unfortunately, 2 weeks ago, you got this knee replaced.
Yes.
Left knee before you got to me, and your right knee is giving you trouble, and your
Yes.
shoulder is. And that's the main reason you're here, correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Can I see you walk to the door? Okay, and
I'm having a spasm right now.
you can walk back to the chair.
Okay. I'll let it subside, and then when it subsides.
And you just said you're having a spasm, and I presume that's in the leg that they operated on?
Well, it's been there for a couple of years now.
Oh, it's
but
been
now
there.
it's every 5 minutes.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, it's just spasm, you know.
Okay, Hannah, we just got done shooting your rotator cuff, and we did your right knee. And move your shoulder around, please.
Oh boy, kid you not. I think I really messed this up reaching in the back seat of my car and pulled it out of socket.
How's it feel now?
But now I can like put my hands behind my back. See, I do.
Oh my gosh, raise it above your head.
I don't know if I raise it.
No. Like this.
Oh, this way?
Oh,
yeah.
wow, I should have
See,
videoed you before.
Yeah, because this was not happening. And this is so painful. I cry at night. I really do. And I try to rub all kind of creams on it, but
And there's no pain now?
no, not now.
I'm
How long is this gonna
ecstatic.
last? Make it last.
I
Make it
think,
last.
well, there is a local anesthetic in there, but usually that wears off very quickly, and the ozone kicks in, and it can last indefinitely. You might need a few more.
Okay.
Typically, rotator cuffs, I'm done with them in 1 to 3 sessions.
Oh, okay.
You came up from Los Angeles. I hope one session does the job, and if not, you can see somebody I trained down there.
Okay, well, I wouldn't mind coming back. I
Well,
definitely wouldn't
I
mind
don't want you
coming
to
back.
come all the way from LA, but I like you very much, and it would be an honor to see
I
you
love
again.
you already.
Thanks. Now, you have shorts on. I want to show the viewer what happened to you.
Yeah.
There's your knee on the left side that was replaced, and I just did your right knee. And we saw you a moment ago get up off of that chair. So what I
Yeah.
want to see you do now is get off of this table, walk to the door, and go to the chair, please. Walk to the door.
But I had shoes on, so because my feet are so bad, I hope I can, let's see. This leg is still, you know.
I expect your left side to be a real problem because you just had surgery and there's a lot of swelling. So you're going to be limping. How does your right side feel?
My right side feels good, because when it pops. You hear the pop?
That's okay.
It pops. But it's not hurting. It's not stinging. When it pops, it stings. It shoots out a
Yes.
spark like a sting.
And not now.
No.
Okay? Let's see you sit down on the chair, please.
Okay. Chair. Ooh. I sure wish I could have gotten to you before I had this surgery. I was, Lord knows I was trying. I was at the
Only
airport.
2 weeks. Only 2 weeks.
2
Okay.
weeks.
Stand up and walk to the door, please. And now back.
I don't do good on cold floors.
All right, let's get your shoes on. Now let's see you get up and walk to the door, please.
Alrighty. At least I got up a little faster.
You did.
Okay.
And how's the walking now?
It's better. Seriously, it's better. Because I don't play with my body.
Okay.
I need my body like a tool.
For the viewer, I want the viewer to know that while there is not a dramatic change in your gait, it's mostly because there is pain and swelling in that knee where they replaced it, right? And
right.
there's swelling. So you're limping because of recent surgery. How is your right knee? That's what I'm interested in.
I'm leaning on it. I never lean on this leg because it hurts.
And now
This one hurt the worst, but the doctor said the left one was the worst because
Right.
it's a trick knee. But yeah, it feels good.
Okay. Then are you happy then with what we got so far?
I'm very happy.
Okay.
I look forward to this.
And I can't fix that. that because you've already been operated on there.
Yeah.
Now, we did talk about injecting the area with ozone, but your body suggested to me don't do it today.
Okay.
So we're going to give you a blood ozone treatment, and we'll
Okay.
see how you do.
Okay,
Okay?
perfect.
All right,
Looking
get your
forward.
arms above your head, please. Oh, my God. All right, I
This
love
is
it.
my nightmare right here.
All right, I love it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we just got done your 10 pass ozone, and can I see you get up and walk to the door?
Oh, perfect. Got up a lot faster. Noticed that myself.
You got up a lot faster.
A lot faster. I feel like I had an overhaul.
You feel like you what?
Had an overhaul.
An overhaul. Okay. You feeling better overall?
Overall, I'm feeling much better.
And in the knee that was surgerized.
You know, I'm lifting up my knee. This is the part I was supposed to be able to do, and I wasn't able to do it.
And now you can do it.
Now I'm doing it.
And I didn't touch
and I
your
didn't take
knee.
any pain pills.
Right. You took no pain pills. I didn't touch the knee. You only got a 10 pass.
Yeah, you didn't. I didn't do this side, the surgical side.
Right.
And so I'm feeling relief in that knee. See, this is good. This
That's
is good.
wonderful.
I'm
Okay, you made my
excited.
day.
I'm excited.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.